How do you organize your fleet maintenance programs? Easily build maintenance schedule templates directly into WinAir. Create visibility and take control of your aircraft compliance data. Utilize one template for each aircraft type and track an unlimited number of aircraft. Even the most complex aircraft can be managed in WinAir. A template is an electronic depiction of an aircraft maintenance manual, displaying zones, positions, components, and component tasks of all required compliance items applicable to an aircraft type. Aircraft templates are built based on the model and version utilizing the maintenance manual. Enter an unlimited number of flight log inputs and counters. Build or edit custom complex counters in real time. Easily manage component and task applicability by aircraft. Build airframe and component tasks based on aircraft compliance requirements. Easily manage your maintenance program by configuring block or phased checks. Take control of service bulletins, airworthiness directives, and revisions. Manage your fleet with WinAir and take control of your aircraft maintenance program in one centralized location. Contact us today for a customized demo of WinAir.